Everyone, take your hair, divide it into two parts, and then make two pigtails out of those two parts. And when you are done, crisscross it and attach it with your favorite rubber band. Take your hair, tie it in the form of knot, divide it into two parts. Then take hair from the lower ends as well and keep tying plaits, taking hair from all the sides of your head. And then you are done, divide it into two parts. Repeat the same process with the other part as well and roll it upwards towards the ponytail. And make it in the form of ponytail, tie plaits and then roll it upwards in the form of a circle. Take your hair, divide it into two parts, make layers of those two parts and keep tying layers with your favorite beads. Then take the layer from the lower part, tie plaits and then you are done. Take your hair, tie it in the form of a ponytail, divide the ponytail into two equal halves, make plaits and then attach it with your favorite ribbon. Take your hair, tie a half ponytail, make plaits and then roll it upwards. Divide the lower end into two equal halves. Keep tying plaits and then make it a fluffy look. Hair, divide it into two parts. Then make it in the form of layer. Tie the lower end in the form of plaits and roll it upwards. Take your hair, divide it into six parts. The upper part should be two equal halves and the lower part should be four equal halves. Take your hair, tie it in the form of a ponytail, then tie plaits out of those two ponytails, roll the ponytails upwards and then you are done. Take your hair, tie it in the form of half ponytail and then divide your hair into two equal halves. Insert that plait into those two ponytails, give it a ribbon look, tie a ponytail again downwards and then you are done. Take your hair, make it in the form of a half ponytail and then when you are done, tie it tightly with a rubber band. Take your hair, divide it into two parts, tie it in the form of a ponytail, divide the ponytail into two equal halves, tie it in the form of plaits along the lengths of your favorite rubber band, roll it upwards, give it a ribbony look. Take your hair, tie it in the form of a ponytail and then divide that ponytail into two equal halves. Make plaits out of those two equal halves by taking hair from all the sides and then roll it and decorate it with your favorite ribbon. Take your hair, divide it into two parts, then take those two parts and again divide it into four equal halves. Take the lower end of the hair and roll it upwards just like a rubber band. Take your hair, give it a crisscross look, roll the lower parts in the form of plait. Take your hair, give it a heart-shaped look and then you are done. Take your hair, divide it into two parts, make a plait out of those two parts. Take the lower ends of the hair, make plaits, roll the plaits upwards and take the former plait, roll it on the latter one. Hair, tie it in the form of a ribbon and then roll the plaits upwards and decorate it. Thank you for watching.